Hello everyone. We have the newest Japan crate here for December 2016. Let's go ahead and get it open. Okay. Here's our little magazine that comes in every box. Has just different information about what's going on and what comes in your box. Here we go, we have a list here. Alright, let's get started. So we have this here would be the Magic Slime DIY. We have these little guys, and that is going to be, oh, I can't pronounce that. But anyway, it's a sour pickled plum flavor. My kids always love these things whenever they come in. They usually send different flavors, but they're like a corn puff. Oh, look, we got little cookies there. Grapefruit and orange. Okay. And then this would be, I think this is the Umai salad flavor. They're chips. They always like to send this Coca-Cola gummies. Well, that one's actually gum though. But let's see, what else do we got here? Oops. Sorry. Okay. And that was also gum. And then we have a drink. Okay, that is sparkling lemon soda. This is lemon gummies. And then we've also got, oh, that's cute. Looks like chocolate. Yep. And we also have that, which is, I'm thinking it's more chocolate. Ooh, that looks pretty good. This is some Harvest biscuits, matcha flavored. Those will be interesting. And we also have these little guys. They are cherry drops, and they have a smooth cherry taste with a small hint of creamy goodness. So we're going to be trying those out later. But I'm going to go ahead and put all this back in for you guys. You know, again, like I said last month, I really do like the Japan crate. It is something that I look forward to every month. If it's something that you're thinking about doing, I would highly suggest it. I've not been disappointed yet. Well, that was December 2016.